Welcome to the TVET Cinematography Training Program. Here we'll be onboarding you all on the tools we'll be using for this very program. But before we start, remember that this is a time-bound journey that is packed with a lot of opportunities to develop real-world skills. And success here comes with not just learning new skills, but also from discipline, commitment, and a positive attitude throughout your training. This program is sponsored by the Ideas Project in partnership with Digital Dreams ICT Academy and support from the World Bank. Now, we move to the attendance and punctuality for the program. Please ensure that you join each session of this program on time. Logging in late, it disrupts learning and does not reflect a professional attitude or conduct in the virtual environment. Always engage online, demonstrating discipline, responsibility, and professionalism because they are essential for your growth and success in the program. Then we come to assessments and assignments for the program. We encourage timely submission of each assignment. That is crucial for your online learning environment because completing tasks promptly shows responsibility, which keeps you on track and ensures you do not fall behind. Make sure that the assignments that you are submitting are work originally from your efforts because that keeps you outstanding from the others. It shows your efforts and your skill, including your creativity and integrity in mastering these skills. Now move on to communication and conduct during the program. Now during this program, we always ensure effective communication, and it should be respectful between peers, trainees, and facilitators because polite language fosters a positive learning environment. We also support zero tolerance to harassment, bullying, or abusive behavior of any form. That is highly prohibited and would not be tolerated because everyone deserves a safe and supportive space. Now, your behavior proves your professional standard for this training, both in person and online. And that should reflect you as a person, as this program mirrors the real workplace expectations for you. Do well to follow instructions and adhere to guidance from trainers and facilitators because that ensures the smooth learning, safety, and it prepares you for the professional environment as well. Now we'll talk about the Linkskool app, how to download and use the Linkskool app. Remember that the Linkskool app is the official learning management platform for this TVET program, and everyone is required to have this app on their phone to ensure effective learning activity. You will use this app to access class links and schedules, receive announcements and updates, view your learning materials, and submit assignments, and also to keep track of your participation and progress. Now, the Linkskool app is available on the Google Play Store, that is for Android users, and Apple Play Store for iOS users. This is all for mobile use. The Linkskool is also accessed on the desktop or laptop through your web browser. No, that part is not supposed to be. Okay. So the Linkskool Learning Management app is the official learning platform for this TVET program. And we encourage all to have this app because it will be helping you foster your learning activities. You will use this app to access the class links and schedules, receive announcements and updates, view your learning materials, submit assignments, and keep track of your participation and progress during the program. Now, the Linkskool app is available on the Google Play Store for Android users and App Store for iOS users, all for mobile use. It is also accessible on a desktop or laptop. All official learning activities, announcements, and assignments will be shared using the Linkskool app. Now we'll show you how to download and install the Linkskool app and how to use it properly. So we'll teach you how to use the Linkskool app, how to download and use this Linkskool app. We'll be starting with the first step, which is using your smartphone. Click on the link below to download and install the Linkskool app. Right, so you open your Google Play Store, click on the search button, and on the search bar you type in Linkskool, Linkskool. You tap on it, select the Linkskool, click on install, which is going to download and install the Linkskool app on your mobile device. That is going to take a little time to download and install the app. So then after installation, you click on open to open the app. You navigate through the app and you get started. So now this is the landing page of the Linkskool app, landing interface. So you click on programs. When you click on programs, you click on TVET program overview. That will tell you or ask you to sign in. So you sign in with your Google account. Click on sign in with Google. You select your Google account that you want to use to sign in, and it tells you sign in successfully. Now you click on the TVET media production program. Under it, click on TVET program overview. I'm going to refresh the page, click on it again. So when you click on the TVET program overview, there you will see the course contents, which includes the lessons and materials. So under the lessons, we're going to click on understanding the TVET creative media production program. Here you'll be able to download the course materials. After that, you can watch the recorded videos on this same section or screen. Click on the quiz. Here you can take a quiz. Quizzes are not available yet. Then you click on assignments. Click on assignments. This is where you can take your assignments and write each of them and submit on the app. And we'll go back. For each of these courses, you have to enroll on them. So I've already enrolled for this course, so I'm going to go to the second course, Fundamental of Creative Media Production. See, now it said enroll now, so I'm going to enroll. Here I have the course contents where I can view the lessons and materials. So each of these, you enroll for each of these courses. They are a course on its own. Alright, and that is all for it. So the next step is on how to download and use the Linkskool app on your desktop, laptop, or your PC. So you get your desktop or your laptop computer, ensure you have a stable internet connection, and you can use any modern browser of your choice, which includes Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. So you open a new tab in your browser, be it Google, be it Firefox or Safari. You click on the search bar and type in Linkskool Online. Okay, Linkskool Online, and hit search. Then you select the Linkskool Online desktop link. It says welcome to Linkskool Online, the future of learning. So select that. It brings you to the landing page. Now you go to more and click on CBT. CBT will take you to the download link for the Linkskool desktop app. So here it says desktop app, which is available for Windows download, 64-bit and 32-bit. Okay, so we are going for the 64-bit download. So we're going to click on download. So we click on download, downloading it. Alright, so we look for the downloaded version in our file explorer. We go to downloads. Alright, and here we have it. We'll click on this to install it. It asks me to allow this app device. Yes. So now we are installing the app. Please wait. So here it says update. So we update the app. Next. Finish. We have our Linkskool app installed on our desktop or our laptop, right? So now we go to programs. It's saying showing 5 programs. So review the programs we have here, different categories, right? So you have the program for the TVET Creative Media Production program, which is what is in our face. Now we click on enroll. So we can review this program by viewing it. Okay, for you to view, you have to log in. So I'm going to continue with Google. Can decide to sign in or not. I'm continuing with Google. Select my Google account that I want logged in and verify this on my mobile device. So I'm going to verify this on my mobile device for Google to know that it is me that is signing in. Okay. So once this is verified, you continue. And it says authentication complete. You can now close this window. So if I close this window and I go back to my Linkskool desktop app, I've been signed in. Can you see that? So here it has my name and my email account. So now I can view this program, the contents, discussions, assessments, and live sections for this particular program only. Now here are the course contents. It says understanding the TVET Creative Media Program, the selection exercise, Creative Media Production Program. So here in the contents, you have a YouTube video. Okay, you watch this video, you view materials for the class. So we load the materials. These are the materials available for this class. So as you can see, and the materials available, our course outline, and the curriculum for the program itself is here as well. So now for us to enroll, we go back because we've not enrolled, we are just reviewing, we are auditing the program. Okay, so we click on continue. So because we viewed, we have enrolled. Okay, it says continue learning. So that means it will mark the first as complete and subsequent ones. So we go back to program and we enroll for this one as well. So contents are yet to be uploaded on this particular course, and that will be done. Content to be uploaded on it. Yes, that is all. You can also view other programs, the AI Explorers, Kids Coding, and the rest of it. But for the TVET Creative Media Program, these are the programs available, and more will be added to it. So that is all for the desktop app and how to navigate through it. All right. So on the learning, on my learning, you're going to see the enrolled courses. So you see here, I've enrolled for these 2 courses. It shows the course I've enrolled, lessons completed, which is 0, quizzes taken, none, overall quiz score. So because I've not taken any quiz, I don't have any score yet. All right, so these are the ways to navigate through the desktop app and get your assessments and your quiz completed, and also reviewing your content for each course and learning properly and actively using the Linkskool app. So these assessments and quizzes and course materials are available on the app and on the desktop app. That's on the mobile and desktop app. All right. So these app was specifically built for this program. And that is why we are encouraging you to make use of it, and any other requirements, activities will be shared in the platforms, in WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups. So thank you for joining in and staying on this session. See you in class. In using the Linkskool app, do well to read the announcements carefully, submit assignments through the app, and follow instructions shared on the platforms. Alright, we have other platforms where we communicate with you. Important reminders, please do not forget, remember that the Linkskool is the only official platform for this program. Information shared outside Linkskool may not be official, and please do not share your login details with anyone. So we have the other essential apps we'll be using for the TVET program, which is first the Zoom. This is where we'll be having the live online classes, the workshops and interactive sections. And we expect you join on time, you stay attentive, and you participate just as you would in a physical classroom. Have the email. This will be used to pass on important notices, feedback, and documentation. And everything will be sent via the email, and you're expected to check it regularly and respond professionally when required. WhatsApp is another channel which is strictly for announcements, quick reminders, and important updates. Remember that this is not a substitute for the Linkskool and should not be used for casual discussions or sharing unofficial information. The Telegram is also there, and that will be used to share learning resources, recorded sections, and group updates. All tools provided are exclusively for training purposes. The practical and editing apps will be shared depending on your specific training track. Digital responsibility and consequences. So your digital footprint matters. Keeping your login details secure. Check learning platforms regularly, use apps responsibly and professionally, and do not misuse communication platforms, because your digital behavior reflects your readiness for the industry. And here are the consequences of not following the rules. Failure to comply with the program guidelines may lead to missed learning opportunities, poor assessment or incomplete records, and possible disqualification from the program, because the TVET is designed for focused and committed learners. Seriousness and consistency are essential for your success. I advise you seize this opportunity, because this program offers a valuable opportunity to develop practical real-world skills that can shape your future. And what you gain from this experience will deepen your level of commitment, discipline, and willingness to learn. Please remember to respect the program rules, use all learning tools responsibly, take ownership of your learning journey. And yes, we are glad to have you here. Welcome to TVET.